Delta 766, RNAV Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV Ronnie, Delta 766.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Line up, wait, 8 right, about 2365. Papa, and then airport 5, that was my fault.
Delta 1376, the Papa cross runway 9 left, left 1.75.
Join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company, November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, right.
Delta 1314, the Papa cross runway 9 left, runway left 175.
And Papa cross 9 west, 175, Delta 3514.
438, grab 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November. Delta 912, turn left on November, hold short.
48 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 614.
Delta 503, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, now wait.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going to 3 cross.
Cross runway 9 right, turn left on November. Left on November, hold short, Papa.
Left the door, hold short of pop, double 12.
Lima, 0.75.
Gonna cross point, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, 9
Plus 1971 at Papa, cross 190 left, on Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa, cross 190 left, on Lima, 0.75.
Outside left, Papa, 4438.
Departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good departure tonight.
Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Raleigh, runway right 37.
Big takeoff, pay right, RNAV, Ron, 7557.
On a runway right, line up away.
Right, 614.
Alright, thank you. About 2338, taxi by the
Approaching minimums.
649, can I departure tonight?
300 minimums.
on 1708, runway 8 left, for left. On November, hold short of Papa.
Take cross 9 right, here at Charlie, left on November, short of Papa.
100.
48 right, first takeoff,
50. 40. 30. Retard. Retard.